Hello semester 2 BSc Botany Honors student. Here I am Dr. S. खालको. आज के दिन मैं आप लोगों को पढ़ाने वाली हूँ ब्रायोफाइटा का एक पार्ट. This is Rixia. This is the Rixia. The systematic position is division Bryophyta, class Hepatopsida, order Marcanceales, family Rixiaceae and genus Rixia. इसमें ये जो थैलस है इसको that is known as thallus structure, and this is the rosette shape, just like rose-like structure. So this is known as rosette shape structure. Habitat, rosette, habitat. Is the dorsal side of the thallus. It contains apical notch. In the apical side, apical notch, and in ventral side, lower side, it is known as ventral side. Here scales and rhizoids present. Scales help absorption of water and fixation, and scales cover the reproductive organs and initial cells. If you cut the section of thallus, so it is known as vertical section of Rixia thallus. It shows the two layers. Upper layer, it is covered by upper epidermis. The whole structure is covered, and this upper epidermis, it is discontinuous layer, and lower epidermis continuous layer, and in the lower side scales, multicellular scales present, and rhizoids present. Here two types of rhizoids present, smooth fall rhizoids and tuberculated rhizoids, and whole thallus is divided into two layers. Upper layer is known as also asymmetry region because it contains chloroplast and it helps in photosynthesis, and is the storage region. After photosynthesis, food materials formed and rest portion storage in the storage region. Reproduction. Here reproduction takes place by two methods. First is vegetative reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means vegetative parts, if vegetative parts reproduce, then it is known as vegetative reproduction. It helps to produce new individuals. It takes place by the different methods. First is death and decay of older parts of thallus by adventitious branches. That means after some times it develops in the rainy season, but in uh, summer season older parts decay and only initial cell present, and if rainy season come, it divide and redivide and form the new Rixia thallus. Second, by adventitious branches, it develops mantle surface of thallus. It is detached from mother plants and form the new structure of thallus. Third is by tubers. Sometimes tuber-like, just like potato, tuber-like structure develops. It detaches from mother plants and forms the new Rixia thallus. Sometimes in few species of Rixia, gyma-like structure form from rhizoids. It also helps in vegetative reproduction. Second is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. In the इसमें आप लोग पहले से जानते हैं कि सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन या होल प्लांट, दिस इज द ब्रायोफाइट, द होल प्लांट first is come from gametophyte stage. The thallus is gametophyte, so it is known as plant body gametophyte. Means it produces male gamete antheridia and female gamete is archegonia, and it develops from below apical notch. So first we will see the development of antheridia. Development of antheridia. This is the male reproductive organ. First is to start the initial cell, single superficial cell. It is known as antheridian initial cell. It divides by transverse wall into two cells. Lower cell basal cell, outer cell is outer cell. It again divides by transverse walls and form upper two cells and three primary antheridial cell, and lower is primary stalk cells. It divide and redivide and form multi-layered structure, 4 layers structures. Upper layer is, and then it divide by periclinal wall. Is the periclinal wall is start from lower side and returns whole length and form the two layers. Outer layers known as jacket cells, inner layer is known as endogonial cells. Endogonial cells divide and redivide and form the many cell structure, and it is the pear-shaped structure, and it's the mature structure of Archegonium. It covered with a structure, and it is present in chamber that is known as antheridial chamber. Each cell is known as endocyte cell, and it divides obliquely and form the two cells. Each cell metamorphosed and form the gamete. Male gamete is known as anthrozoid. It is the curved structure. Curved structure is known as body, and it is known as flagella. It's known as flagella. It is the two flagella, which is known as biflagellate structure. So it forms the development of antheridium. Next is development of Archegonia. This is the female sex organ. It also start with single superficial cell known as an Archegonial initial cell, divide by transverse wall, two cells, outer cell, basal cell. It again divide by obliquely divide and form two wall divide and form central axial cell. Outer is primary peripheral initial cell, and lower basal cell not divide. Then axial cell divide unequally. Upper cell known as cover cell, lower cell is central cell. Peripheral cell again divide and form the two cells. It divide and redivide, and it form the outer protective layers, and the upper cell is known as cover cell, and lower cell central cell divide, and it form the neck canal cell, and its number is 4 to 6, means it start 4 cell minimum and 6 cell maximum cells. It covers by parenchymatous cells in the outer side, that is known as neck cells. Inner cell is known as neck canal cell, that is 4 cell, and then ventral cell. Ventral cell below neck canal cell, ventral canal cells present, and large egg. This is the female sex organ. This is the mature archegonium structure, and it looks like uh, lower side bulb shape structure, and upper cell is long cell structure is present. And here development of gametophyte stage completed. After some times fertilization start, and upper cover cell uh, removed, and water droplets come out, and it forms mucilaginous structure. Anthrozoids comes, and it unite with egg and form zygote, and this is the completed the gametophyte stage. After formation of zygote, anthozoids plus egg, it form zygote, and after formation of zygote, it completed gametophyte stage, and it starts from zygote start sporophyte stage, and it will deal in the next class. Thank you.
8 मिनट 20 सेकंड
देखिए कैसा बोले.
ठीक.